In this lecture, we need to create 3D practice exercise 7. You can see here elevation, side view, top view and 3D view. This is length, you can see here 50. Width you can see here 100. Height you can see here 60. First length 50. Go to here. Click here new. Select here 3D practice template. Then click open. Then select here box. Click any location. Make it length. Make it 50. Then press enter. Width we need to make it 100. Press 100. Then press enter. Then height we need to make it 60. You can see here height 60. 60. Then press enter. Next we need to make this shape. First we will make this bottom one. You can see here this one. You can see here that dimension 20 horizontal dimension, vertical 5. Go to here, select here front, then go to the rectangle, click any location, select here dimension. We need to make it 20 horizontal, vertical 5. Go to here 20, then press enter, 5, then press enter, click any location, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint, place it this midpoint, then go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this fillet. Go to here, press shift key and press the mouse center button. You can orbit like this. Then go to the solid tab, select here fillet edge, go to the radius. We need to make it radius 5, then press enter. Select this edge, press double enter, then make it like this. Press enter, repeat the same command. Click this edge, then press double enter. Here it is created. Next we need to make it this area. We need to cut and remove this area. You can see this area we need to cut and remove. For that, just go to here, go to the home, select here copy edges, select this edge, then press enter, click here, make it like this. You can see here from this location it is 20, make it like this 20, then press enter. Next we need to make it this height also, this location. For that you can see here 20 plus 10, total 30 mm. From bottom, top also you will get it 15, 30 mm. Just go to here, then go to the copy edges. You can select this one or this one, anyone you can choose. I select this one, press enter, click here, make it like this 30, then press enter, press escape key, just go to the press pull, click this face and click here, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this one. You can see here this face we need to make it. For this one you can see the dimension here, horizontal 20, vertical 10. Just go to here, then go to the copy edges, select this one, press enter, click here, make it like this. You can see here horizontal it is 20, vertical 10. Just make it like this 20, then press enter, press escape key, just go to the copy edges, select this edge, press enter, click here, make it like this 10, then press enter. Next we need to make it this cut also. You can see this one dimension, you will get it here, it is 20, both the side it is 20. Just go to here, then go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, -20, then press enter. You will get it like this. Similar way, we need to create this side also. For that, just go to the top view, select this 2D lines, then type MI in your keyboard, then press enter. Click this midpoint and click here, then press enter. Then go to the southeast isometric. Then if you go here, you will get it this one. Go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, -20, then press enter. You will get it the same here also. Select this one and select this one, delete it. Next, we need to make it this area cutout. This one you can see here, this is this side length, and here width is, you can go to the top view, this one, everything same width, same thing we need to make it inside. Then height, you can see it is 15. Just go to here, we can select here right or left, anyone you can choose. Then go to the rectangle, click any location, make a dimension. We need to make it 40 height, 40 length, height is 15. Just go to the AutoCAD, make it 40, then press enter. Next, we need to make it this height 15, then press enter, click any location, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint, place it here. Then go to the press pull, click here, we need to place it up to here. Press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next, we need to make it this fillet. You can see here fillet radius 5. Go to here, go to the solid, select here fillet, make it a radius 5, then press enter. Select this edge, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same here also. Next, you can see we need to make it this side and this side also. Just go to here, go to the fillet, select this one, press enter, you can see here. Next, we need to make it this chamfer. You can see here this chamfer also we can make it. Chamfer dimension horizontal and vertical 5. Just go to here, select here chamfer, then go to the distance, make it 5, then press enter, make it 5, then press enter. Click this one, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same, select this one, press double enter, here also it is created. Next, we need to make it this one. This one radius, you can see here radius 10. Just go to here, go to the home, select here top, then select here circle, click this midpoint, make it like this, radius 10, then press enter. Go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next, we need to make it this area. This area, you can see here 30 plus 15 and 15, total 60 length. This one 60 length. This side 20 and this side 20. You can see here this one is 20, this one is 20. Go to here, then select here copy edges, select this one, press enter, click here, make it 20, then press enter. Press escape key, just go to here copy edges, select this one, press enter, click here, make it like this, 20, then press enter. Then go to the press pull, click here, then click here, repeat the same here also, press escape key, select this one, delete it, and select this one also, delete it. Next, we need to make it these two chamfer dimension. You can see here 15 15. Go to here, then go to the solid, select here chamfer edge, make it a distance 15, press enter 15, then press enter. Select this one, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same here also. Select this one, press double enter. Next we need to make it this circle. You can see here radius 10. We need to place it from this location to this location 15, radius 10. Just go to here, then go to the home, select here right or left, anyone you can choose. You can see here, then go to the circle, click here, make it like this 10, then press enter, 10 radius. Select this one, go to the move command, click any location, make it 15, then press enter, then go to the press pull, click here, then click here, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this fillet. You can see here this fillet and this fillet also. You can see here this fillet, both are same radius. Just go to here, go to the solid, select here fillet edge, make it a radius 5, then press enter. Select this edge, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same here also, double enter, press enter, go to here, select this edge, press enter, double enter, press enter, repeat the same command, select this one, press double enter. It is finished. Now we finished this model completely. Then we can arrange inside layout. Already you know how to create views and all. Just go to here layout, then go to here base, select here from model space, click here, press enter, go to this location, click here, then click here, then click here, press enter. It is placed. Select this one. You can go to here edit view, select here shaded with visible. Then if you don't want this line, you can see here, press escape key, you can see this line. If you don't want, you can select this one, go to here edit again, just go to the visibility. You can change the visibility in tangents, remove this tangents. You can see it is removed. Press enter. You can see here we don't have visibility in tangent. Then dimensions, already you know. I just show you this center mark, already that also already you know. Just go to here, select here center, then go to the annotate, select here center mark. You can make here center mark this one and this one also. Here you can select here dimension, select here linear. You can make the linear dimension. You can see here this linear dimensions. This everything already you know. The same way you can create the dimensions and all. Select this one, go near to this script, select here continue dimension, click here and click here, press escape key. Again go to the linear, click here and click here. You can make dimensions. Then if you want to make the radius dimensions and all, just go to here, you will get it here radius dimension. You can make the radius dimension. So similar way you can continue and you can finish all the dimensions. Here we don't have any difference between previous exercise and this exercise. Everything same dimensioning method. Next you can make here this drawing number and all, and you can save the drawing. Once you finish everything, you can save the drawing. Just go to here save, then go to the location, select this one. You can make here exercise 7, then save it. Once you save this document, you can print the document. Just go to the print, this is all the thing, keep as it is, then click OK. You can go to the location. I just go to here this folder. You can save this one exercise 7 and save it.